best places to sell online. Okay, now this is where you're going to be making most of your sales. Now, right now you're looking at a bunch of different online retailers or marketplaces, and every single one of these places I have actually sold on or are currently selling on now. So we have Amazon, Alibaba, eBay, Etsy, Overstock, Shopify, Jet, Sears, Facebook, Twitter, Rakuten, Google Shopping, Bing, Bonanza, Zazzle, Redbubble, and there's even more. This is just what I'm showing you now. This does not include international, such as Amazon Japan, Amazon Mexico, France, the UK, Germany, Italy, so many different places you can sell. And we haven't even talked about international, and that's going to be exciting too. Can't tell you everything in one session, one course, but I want to show you the best places for you to get started where you'll be making the most of your sales. These are a lot of different places here, but the top 5 I want you to focus on. Okay, I want you to focus on 5 online retailers. Okay, I don't want you to get ahead of yourself. I don't want you to do too much, but I'm telling you right now, these 5 that I'm sharing with you right now are where I want you to get started. The first place that I need you to get started is eBay. You're talking about 165 million active customers on eBay. This is the place where I want you to log in, sign up right now. That's the first place, especially if you don't have any experience selling. I want you to get started on eBay. This is where I got started, okay? And I'm saying that for a reason, because if you get ahead of yourself and you try to jump the gun, you'll miss it. You'll kind of mess everything up. Everything is about sales and shipping on time and making sure you have customer service. So if you jump the gun, that can hurt your whole business. And so I'm trying to get you to get started, and the easiest way, based on my experience, is eBay. So you sign up with an eBay account today. I should, at this moment, have some sort of private coaching to where I can actually help you get started with signing up or what have you. But start off on eBay. That's 165 million active customers. After that, I want you to start off on Etsy. That's 25 million shoppers there. Etsy, everybody knows about eBay, but Etsy is fairly new, but they're on the come up right now. Okay, and this is for custom things. If you have some things that you make or some things that you like that's kind of crafty, Etsy is a good place. And then number 3 is Amazon. Of course, Amazon is like Amazon. That is the place where you want to really, really get a lot of your sales, coming from, because Amazon is huge, over 300 million customers. But before you get on Amazon, you got to know what you're doing. This is the reason why I want you to get started on eBay and Etsy. Now, you can bypass Etsy. Go to Etsy.com, eBay.com, take a look around. You can bypass Etsy, but I want you to just get used to getting sales coming in. Okay, I want you to get used to shipping. We'll talk more about shipping and things like that. You don't always have to ship items, but I want you to get your confidence going, get some sales coming in. eBay, Etsy is the place to be. And then Amazon. The 4th place to where you can do extremely well is Shopify. Shopify.com. Over 377,000 subscribers, 29 billion in sales. This is like a personal, it could be your own website where you can sell clothes on there, you can sell sneakers, you can sell whatever it is that you're interested in selling. And we'll go over some of those products and things, and I'll show you some stuff in the next couple of sections on what I sell and what you can sell. Shopify is like your own store. It's very inexpensive, but this is where I want you to focus on. So eBay, Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, and guess what? You have to come up with a company name. You need to have a company name. So this is the time now to come up with your own company name. So if you're going to have an online retail store, you're going to have your own company website. Even if it's just some information on there about what you do, about what you sell, you can visit mine at try7entertainment.com. And the reason why I want you to focus on that is because later on, when you get on sites like Amazon and other companies, and I'm going to show you how to get funding, and just in case if you want some more money to be able to get inventory, you're going to need to have your own company website. Okay. Now you can have a hobby, but I don't want you to treat this as a hobby. You can use your hobby and the things that you like to do to actually make money online and actually create things. But I don't want you to treat this as a hobby. I want you to treat this as your business. This is not a hobby. You can take things that you like to make or create or ideas that you consider a hobby, but don't treat everything that you're doing online as a hobby. If you treat it like a hobby, you're going to make hobby money. If you treat it as a business, now you're going to start to just bring in more sales because you're focused on becoming financially free. All right. On to the next section. Hope you learned something.